Yeah, so today I got the death certificate for my mum, which is kind of confronting since she's still sort of alive-ish, you know. And, I'm coming to you. My hair's an absolute mess. My bad comb over. Covering that up. Nah, you see my beard's all patchy from where I shaved everything but the mustache off to, make everyone laugh at how stupid I looked, over the last couple of weeks. And you're sitting there like, man, why are you coming here a mess? Talking about your dead mum. We're going to talk about that today. Everyone else is making a vlog. Why not me? Man, my shirt stinks. It's a Skaven shirt from Electric Witch. In my Sonic PJs. Why am I coming to you like this? Look, for a long time, the hobby space has been a production, good lighting, close up, well painted minis, and I won't stand for it. This is what hobby space looks like, buddy. I go out and I spend hours with my children, waking up with them at 4:30, 5 o'clock. And then at some point I go and spend time with my dying mother, who probably only has days to live, if not hours. And I come home stressed out and frazzled with no energy, because I'm going through a lot, as I'm sure we're all going through a lot right now. I'm sure. Look at the world. What is the world, man? Far out. And I grab some miniatures. And I grab some glue and clippers. And I spend some time putting together my little boy's goat man. Or I grab a brush. And I paint some clan rats. God, there are so many clan rats. Why did I pick Skaven? What's wrong with me? But the great thing about clan rats is there's never enough clan rats. I gotta make more. And notice I said make more. I made myself up a little mold because it's getting kind of expensive to buy clan rats. I was 3D printing them in the resin 3D printer, but where I live it's too cold. The resin won't set. So if you have any tips for that, I'd love to hear how you make that work. Look, I've kind of got little rat teeth at the moment. What's going on there? Yeah. Don't normally get to focus on my teeth because it's normally a beard in the way. Don't mind me looking at myself in the camera. Yeah. Hobbies, man. Or what keep us sane. It's something that I can share with my family. I share it with my little boy. I share it with my wife. I'm starting to share it with my daughter. My little boy says it's her version. He wants to play her version of D&D, which is just them playing with my minis on the on the grass with the terrain. When I finally get 5 minutes to myself, it's something I can share with friends, I'm trying to learn Warhammer Fantasy so that I can actually go to a day when the Warhammer Fantasy players are there and have a friggin' game. I keep blowing them off. They were playing today, actually. I went down with my daughter to take her for a drive and had a chat, and I said I'll go there eventually, and they kind of mocked me mercilessly because I keep saying that and I never turn up because I got a lot on, man. Like it's nighttime. It's the middle of the night now, and here I am talking to you through YouTube that I can't get to post on often enough to make anything out of it. After Mum goes, I'm going to spend some time just for myself, and a part of that is I'd like to, when the estate comes through, make myself a hobby space, a space that's just mine, something that's just for me, I'm gonna take some time off work and I'm gonna just spend some time doing stuff for me in my hobby, because that's all I got, man. I don't have a personality. All I have is my hobby, which is kind of sad. And I play alone most of the time because I'm such a friggin' loser. And I watch other people. I watch people like Trent from Miscast and Viv from Rubbish In Rubbish Out / Knights of Dice / whatever he's doing now. And I, watch Craftman, Steady Crafting. And I feel like I'm part of something, some community. And it feels like the burden that I'm carrying is kind of shared, We're all together in this space. And now everyone's jumping on this vlog bandwagon. I've been trying to make it, my own little vlog for a while now. I've just never got off my butt and done it. And this is the push I need, Everyone's doing it. Jump off the bridge. The water's fine. So thanks to Trent at Miscast for getting everyone on the wagon and giving me a push. And hopefully I'll make some more vlogs tomorrow. That's a big promise. I don't know that I'm going to do that. Let's at least agree. I'll set a goal. I'm going to make some clan rats tomorrow. And I'm going to film it. And if you'd like to join me there, I'd love to have you there. Watch my illegal pirating of Games Workshop intellectual property. So that's my first blog, man. I hope whatever mess you're in, whatever state of your hobby space, whatever state of your mental health, I hope that together we can all get through it. Glue and paint those minis, friends. Ciao for now.